Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to tie turbans like Alauddin Khilji in Padmaavat movie. Today I'm using two types of turban, one is white and one is black. So let's play it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and নতুন হলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে আর বেশি বেশি শেয়ার করবে. Give me a thumbs up. Allah Hafiz.